Bamboo is definitely a plant that comes with a certain fear factor, and if I'm honest, I've dug a few out over the years. But if you choose the right plant for the right place, they can be a fantastic garden plant. And I know a man that can help us out. Tim, how are you, fella?
Great to see you, Adam.
Tim, it's got to be a while since anybody has brought just bamboo to the show, isn't it?
Yeah, probably 10 years, I expect, and that's because they're really quite difficult, large specimens to handle. But the public's reaction has been absolutely fantastic.
People do have a fear factor about bamboos. You know, they grow running or they grow clumping. But when it comes to our gardens, they can play a really important part, can't they?
Oh, absolutely. In terms of screening something ugly that the neighbours put up or a fence that you don't want. One of the Fargesia species, and F for Fargesia means F for friendly. It's just going to clump, it's not going to run. And this is so dense that you can't see anything through it.
Yeah, you can't, can you? No.
And then moving down to the next one, again, this is a plant that's a clumper, but you can see a little bit going through that. You can see a forest, whereas something like this wouldn't probably be used for screening. This is a Phyllostachys. This is Vivax aureocornis, very big plant.
But maybe more of a statement plant?
Yeah, people that want something stunning in the garden.
Yeah. The strength of some of these plants and the growth rate is incredible, isn't it?
Oh, some of the fastest growing bamboo in the world will grow an inch every 40 minutes. That's almost unbelievable. You could probably sit there and watch it grow. And they are a clever and interesting plant, and they're very versatile.
Right, Tim, if you've not got room to grow a bamboo tree,
right,
what about if you've got smaller space, decent sized container, what would you suggest?
Yeah, one of the Fargesias, I would say, because some of them only grow up to maybe 5, 6 feet high, and you can always prune them, you can always clip them. There are much smaller bamboos, but the Fargesia ones, they're really friendly. Most of them have got awards of garden merit, which I always say just means it's an easy plant, it's going to grow. And don't we all want something that's going to grow? Yeah, we do, don't we? And I think you've helped, to be honest. I think I might introduce them back into my garden. Excellent, it's our pleasure.